Okay, and where is this Toyota Prius car's OBD port? That where I have to connect this my OBD connector, and this is an easy job in Toyota Prius. It is easy to find. It is in here, that area, that one white part, and now I take my connector and let's look that in which way, in that way, and in here, and now I connect that good, and then when we hear this sound, everything is okay, and now we can see that this my device start to work, and then we start to find and search those defects, and let's go to do that next. Okay, and now when we have connected this OBD cable to car, this connector, then we have to turn on again our car. And now I install key in there, and then we need to install power on, that we can see those defects. Okay, and then we have power in our car. We can look in there. There are ready must go on, and there are this all of my defect codes 4, and everything looks good. And then I firstly take this my cable arrows in here, and I go in this OBD area and enter, and then we scan these defects. This takes a little bit time, and now it says that 3 codes has been found. Okay, and again enter in here. Read codes. Now it's talking with car computer, and first is O2 sensor, and this is like catalytic converter error P0138, and this is first code. I have issue in my catalytic converter and this sensor, and second is O136. It is also sensor error in catalytic converter, and third one is also OP sensor, and there is 2, 138 and 136. Okay, and this is again same defect code. Okay, and let's go to research these things, and then we can go to look at what is this issue area.